Good afternoon, this is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here in Cafe Combo in downtown Hamlet, where there will be a special event this Saturday, February the 4th from 5 to 8 p.m. They will have Mac and Murders. You can see more information about this event on their Facebook page and read about the 2 cases that need to be solved. In addition to solving the cases, they have a special menu that will be available Saturday night with several bowls, and you will only need money to purchase your food. The event itself is free. See their Facebook page, Cafe Combo, for more information. Tonight, February 2nd, there will be a 9-ball pool tournament at Double Vision, drink specials at the lounge at Godfathers, and today also marks the first day of Willow Tree and Company's February Market Days in downtown Rockingham. You can see more about what they have in store for the next few days and their times they will be open on their Facebook page. Hail Mary's Tavern, just down the street from where we are, will also have their drink specials. Tomorrow, Friday, February 3rd, in addition to Willow Tree being open for their February Market Day, there will be live music in downtown Rockingham at Hudson Brothers with Donald Medlock. Over at Double Vision, they will have karaoke with DJ Eric Whitfield. And here in Hamlet, Hail Mary's Tavern will have their Flashback Friday. On Saturday, February 4th, along with Mac and Murders here at Cafe Combo, there will be a Pokemon tournament here in Hamlet at Nerdy Collective. That evening, starting at 5 at a Southern Touch at the Estate, they will have a Valentine's dinner for 2. And at Double Vision, they will have DJ Roy G. And here in Hamlet at Hail Mary's Tavern, they will have Bowtie Karaoke. Also remember that the Highwaymen performance that will be at Cole Auditorium as a part of their Performing Arts series is coming up on February 16th. Tickets are still available for that show. You can purchase those online when you look up the Cole Auditorium at Richmond Community College, or you can stop by the Cole and purchase your tickets for the February 16th show. For more information on these events and more upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visitrichmondcounty.com. Follow us on Facebook, Visit Richmond County, on Instagram, Richmond Tourism, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Visit Richmond County NC. See you next week.